for everything. He'll plead his parents and mothers to get him flowers or get him sweets or toys. Then afterwards, after like he was distracted by the fields and all, and then the parents, he will lose his parents. Man, he will meet a young man, and the man will try to buy him the balloons or toys or sweets, but he will plead to find his mother and father. That's the story in this, like just.
Okay, very good, Jeshta. Now this was the festival during springtime. Do you know these fairs are arranged during spring times? Have you been to a fair?
Yes, ma'am.
Are these the things you still see at the fair?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you see the same things now at the fairs?
Yes, ma'am.
Few of the things are same, few of the things have changed because now they are, selling all electronic gadgets. Balloons will be there, sweets will be there, but there'll be more of these play roundabouts, and there are those what do you call those? Tora. All those things, yeah. So this boy had gone with his father, and he was running between his father's legs because small children of that height, they can run between the legs also. He was laughing and running around. He was looking at everything that was there, and temptation is always there that I want this, I want that. Everything is, he wants it. He
all parents are the same.
Pardon?
All parents are the same.
Yeah, all parents are the same. They never buy or they buy.
Only few things they can buy.
Yeah, only few things, because they know what are the things that will last. There are things which don't last, and they know that if you are not going to play with that toy or whatever it is for more than 2-3 years, then it's a waste of money because it's hard-earned money, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So he wants toys, he looks at sweets, and he looks at balloons, and even the garlands, flower garlands. He says, I want that garland. What can you do with a garland? Just wear it around your neck, right?
Only for one day, that's it, ma'am.
Yeah, but still, he likes it because he likes the flowers. He likes the colorful flowers, gulmohar and all that. And he says, I want it. And he keeps on looking at things because everything is tempting there. And when everything is tempting, he loses concentration over his parents. Because he has taken them for granted that they will be there always. They will say, come child, and they'll hold his hand and take him around. He was expecting that. And he lost track. And when at last, when he couldn't control himself and he said he wanted, what did he want at the end?
Mother and father.
No, he wanted something. Roundabout, isn't it? I want to go on a roundabout, please, father, mother, he says. And then he gets no reply. And then he turns to look for his parents and finds that they are nowhere to be seen. Now what happens immediately when you are scared?
Start searching.
Then you forget everything that was already in your mind.
Children usually start crying, ma'am.
Yeah, you forget whatever you wanted, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing else matters now for him. He wants his parents back. He looks everywhere, he cries, he screams. But did he find his parents here?
No, ma'am.
His yellow turban came off. Then a man saw him, and he was a good man, I guess. He carried him and he asked him, do you want this? All the things that the child initially wanted. The same things this man asked him whether he would like to take that so that the child would stop crying. But now those things are no more important to the child. He says, I don't want this, I don't want that, I want my mother and father. Did you see that? Did you read that or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. He keeps on pleading that he wants his parents. Not even the flowers, not the sweets, nothing he wants now.
Then did he find it?
The name of the author is?
Mulk Raj Anand.
Oh, you saw in your textbook. Now, I would like to ask you, when you read this story, you know the setting, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You got the setting.
Yes, ma'am.
So, can you tell me, based on those clues that the author has given, which place could that be?
Baroda.
It's a village, you know. It's a fair, you know. But
I'm a
where?
fair carnival.
I think Punjab, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Who said that?
Sukruta.
Who?
Sukruta.
Sukruta.
why
Okay. How did
Punjab?
you know Sukruta?
Ma'am, the fair and all, the turban is not in Punjab. ma'am.
Yeah, because of the turban and mustard fields.
Yes, ma'am.
Mustard fields are mostly found there, and turbans,
Where,
children
ma'am?
wearing turbans happens only in Sikh communities, isn't it?
Ma'am, which word?
Yes, ma'am.
What did Sukrita say?
Punjab.
Punjab.
Yeah. So even if you note, find out who the author is. Mulk Raj Anand. Where does he belong to? Okay.
Should I write about him?
Pardon?
Should I write about him?
Yeah, you could write about him. I'll give you the gist of his history in the PPT next. Before
Okay.
that, I would like to show you these questions. What are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? You have a whole list there in the story. Those who did not read the story, I would suggest you read it at least twice, you know, to get the whole picture in your mind. I'm not saying you have to rote learn or anything. You have to read the story. You know, why am I saying twice every time?
Because one time we read
So that it fits into our brains.
Sometimes, you know what you do? Because you know the words, you just read the words without taking in the story. And if there's a difficult or a unfamiliar word, you just skip that word and you go ahead. And maybe some distractions happen while reading. So if you read the second time, it registers even more better. Okay. So you will have to list the things that the child sees on his way and why does he lag behind? Why do people lag behind in everything?
Because they're slow.
Distractions.
No concentration.
Due to
Yes,
desire.
no concentration because of distractions. Second question is, in the fair, he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer?
The flower,
On the flag,
The sweet and the toys.
the sweets, toys, balloons.
Yeah. But
Want
why
to
does
go
he
to the
move
ride.
on without waiting for an
Because
answer?
he knows that his parents won't get him.
Absolutely. That was Pooja, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. He expected every time his parents to answer with a no. He knows the father is going to say no. That's the reason he knew that he can't ask for a second time. He just says, I want this, and moves ahead, even though there's no reply. He doesn't wait for the answer. Only when he finds something which is more tempting, resist that, and he wants to see whether at least now they'll agree, he turns back to see. Now, when does he realize that he has lost his way?
When he was asking for
Talking
a
about roundabout.
For a
For the
roundabout.
roundabout.
And he turns and see there's no parents,
There's no
mom.
parents.
Yeah, that is because usually maybe previous year or something, his parents must have agreed for the roundabout. That's why this time he turned back to see whether, are you okay with it? Will you allow me? And how have his anxiety and insecurities been described? You know, there are some words there. I want you to go through that description because this is where you can make out moods. You know, the tone of the poet gives you the mood of the child. So if you read second time, you will get to know exactly what the feelings were and you'll relate to it. Why does the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier?
Because he wants his parents.
Yeah.
Because
He
there's no
realizes
parents,
now-
he won't getting in it.
Yes. Now he realizes what takes priority, whether those things or his parents are more important to him now. What do you think happens in the end? Does the child find his parents? This is a question which I want you to think and answer. You know how you'll do that? You'll write the story again in your own words, not exact copy of this author. You'll write in your own words and then you'll give a suitable ending because I would like to know what happens in the end. The story stops abruptly where he just says the child turned his face from the sweet shop and only sobbed, I want my mother, I want my father. So it's like incomplete, don't you think?
Yes, please.
So what may have happened? What kind of a person would that stranger have been?
Might be
Would he look around for his parents? Would he make sure that the child reaches the parents? You
Ma'am,
can,
so we should only give an ending for that, ma'am.
you have to write a suitable, you have to write the story first, because just the ending won't look nice. You
Okay,
write
ma'am.
the story in your own words and then give a suitable ending of your own.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
And you will also discuss with your parents, because now you are grown up. You are in the 9th standard, right? So do you think you cannot get lost?
Well, yes, sir.
It's possible. Anything is possible at any time, don't you think?
Yes, sir.
So how would you ensure not to get lost? You have to discuss with your parents.
Global positioning system.
If somebody takes away your mobile or you drop it in a gutter,
Ma'am, we can just like go to know our house route, no, ma'am.
yeah. Now
But if you are in unknown
you have
place,
gone with your parents to a foreign country.
I would go to my auntie's house.
How will you go to
I
your
would
we
use
can,
house?
ma'am, we
translator,
can
ma'am.
take,
If I'm
we can,
in a foreign country, lost from my parents, I'll go to the
We
police
can go to
station and
police
then ask
station.
them to
ma'am,
Yes.
we can take someone's phone and call our parents.
Oh, that somebody, you trust that somebody?
No way.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am.
don't trust anyone. That is why I'll go to police station, ma'am.
That's why you have to go to the police
Yes, ma'am.
station, and you have to make sure there are people with you too, because it's not only one person that you can trust. You have to make sure that there are many people who know that you are lost, and then you have to make sure you don't trust any of those.
Yes, ma'am. They might kidnap us.
And now they have suggested you to read some books. There's a book, The Coolie, written by Mulk Raj Anand, the same author. And Kabuliwala was a story which became a movie also, Kabuliwala by Rabindranath Tagore. Very nice story. You can read this because these are suggested by the
NCRT people.
yes, I thought you would say the author. Okay, now I'll share another. Wait a minute. Yeah, PPT. Can you see the PPT?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
New
no, it's
share.
full
Okay.
blank.
Now you can.
No, ma'am. Only blank
No,
screen.
only blank. Now it's seen, ma'am.
Lost
The lost
screen, ma'am.
child.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's seen.
The Lost Child by Mulk Raj Anand.
Okay, I stopped share. Now again I'll share. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
this is the story, The Lost Child, written by Mulk Raj Anand. And this is Mulk Raj Anand. He was born on the 12th of December 1905. Somebody is talking. I don't know whether they are looking at the PPT. Sukruta?
Ma'am, Maulana.
Yes, ma'am. I'm muted, ma'am.
The day he died was 28th of September in 2004, and he was aged 98 years. What was his occupation?
Writer.
It was a writer. What do writers do?
Write stories.
Write stories.
Okay.
And poems, ma'am.
If you're writing notes, are you a writer?
No, ma'am.
It depends. They write creatively, ma'am.
Yeah.
They publish the
If
writing.
you can create your own pieces, yes, you are a writer. Alma mater. What's the meaning of alma mater?
Ma'am,
Where you are
educational
studying.
places.
Yeah. Where did you get your education or your guidance from? Cambridge University, University College, London, Khalsa College, Amritsar. When was this? 20th century?
20th century.
The work that he did was Coolie and Untouchable. The awards, can you see? Oh. Can you see he got so many awards?
Yes, ma'am. Award 1971.
I'm expecting to see some Padma Bhushan and Sahitya awards from you all also.
Padma Bhushan 1968
From us,
international.
ma'am.
Yeah, you people also can
Basma.
get those by writing.
Okay, ma'am.
No, ma'am. It depends on talent of people.
Yeah. Now this is the work which I said you have to do. You have to make a flow chart.
Oh, I thought I should draw.
Children, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
The first one I told you was you have to write a story, the whole story you have to write in your own words with a suitable ending, I said. That is your story. Okay. Then you have, this is the second homework where you will write the setting of this story, where it happened. It was in a state, it was in a village. In the village surrounding, they had mustard fields. Somebody is talking, okay?
Ma'am, Maulia has not muted. Ma'am, it is mute.
Why are they talking so much?
Oh, she muted her.
Okay, so now setting, no, there are surrounding mustard fields, they said, and then they told you about all those things that were available, the shops and the people, and then when you say mustard fields, it's a village. So you have to describe the setting. The next one is you have to write the characters. Did you notice that there was no character who was named? Did you get any name there?
No, ma'am, we do not.
Okay, so you can give your own name to those characters.
For 3 characters, ma'am.
Pardon?
4 characters.
The story characters, the same story, The Lost Child. You can give the characters your own name.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have to write the plot, like how things changed and how things came to be in the story. What happened? All right.
This one.
Yes,
You will
ma'am.
write the problem that happened was child getting lost, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You will write the solution now. The stranger carried him, that was not the end. You have to write the solution in that same story of yours which you have written. The theme of the story is
Never lose your parents.
What did we learn from the story?
Yeah. Oh, Maulia, please silent yourself.
Ma'am, nothing is precious than mother and father.
Wrong.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
and the
Listen from a story.
story which we write is different, and this is different, ma'am.
No, the same story. You have to just tell us what is the theme of the same story.
No, ma'am, not like that. You said us to write it
Every
in
time
our own
You
own way,
asked
no, ma'am.
us to write.
You asked us to write, no, ma'am, in our
Yeah.
own way.
Yeah.
That question is different, and this all the setting
Yes,
plot
that is different. That is
Okay.
different because you're writing the same story once,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, as a summary, and you're giving it a suitable ending. Now, this is the same story which you're writing as the plot, the problem, the setting, the characters, everything. You're giving it the proper theme, and then you have to draw the plot diagram for the story, The Lost Child. Why do you think who is that? Why do you think the protagonist does not have a name? You have to give reason for that. Why do you think? Can you tell me right now before writing?
Ma'am, because it is an unknown and creative story, ma'am.
Ma'am, which the reader understands properly, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A very good answer, but I think the protagonist doesn't have a name because it can relate to anybody. I think most of us have faced this situation where we felt at least for 1 minute or maybe for an hour. Now, even if it's 1 minute, you feel you're lost. You have the same fear that you have when you're lost for an hour. Have you ever been lost anywhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody
Felt,
gets
ma'am.
lost at least for 2 minutes near the mall, at least for 2 minutes at a railway station. If you have been felt lost,
Ma'am, in the
that's
mall.
the same feeling. That
Always in mall, ma'am.
Mall, ma'am. Only once.
Temple.
Okay. Yeah, I remember I also felt that I was lost when I went to a fair. We had the same kind of fair, and lots of people come, and when we are small, we are not of that height where we can see over people's head. We can't see. We can only see the legs, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
That is where you feel lost. So you have to write why the person doesn't have a name, because it's related to everybody, right?
Ma'am, so
Yes,
the
ma'am.
person can be given our own names.
No, here the question is asking why. Why the child doesn't have a name.
It can be relatable, ma'am.
because the author thinks that any child could be in that position.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you want to name the character, what would it be and why? Obviously, you will like to give a name, but you also have to tell why you wanted to give that name, because you just simply can't give a name. You have to have a reason for everything. Now, the first homework which I told you is here. Rewrite the story in your own words, giving the ending as per your imagination. You got that?
Mommy, why is it breaking?
Pardon?
No, ma'am, it's not.
No, it's clear.
Okay.
It's clear, ma'am.
You will get the PPT, so don't worry. You can write the answers.
Okay.
Okay. Stop. Okay. Now I'll share something else.
Okay.
Where did that go? Not this. Yes. Can you see this now?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
It's black.
Ma'am, the parts of the story.
Ma'am,
Pardon?
the
Ma'am,
king
the things
of
happens in the fair.
Kings in
One person,
village.
one person.
The
It's
activities which
related to the story.
story.
It is related to the story, ma'am.
What is related to the story?
All the sequences of story, ma'am.
Yeah.
All
The
the
activities
scenes.
happen
The
in the fair.
sequences of the story.
Yeah, very good. These are the pictures which the NCERT has published, the pictures of the related story. Now you have to tell me the sequence, which comes first, which comes last. There are 8 pictures here. Can you please tell?
Ma'am,
Sixth one is first.
Sixth one is first, ma'am. Sixth one is first.
Fifth is second.
Second one is second.
Second one is
Second.
Third one is fifth one, ma'am.
Third is
third one is
Fifth one is third one.
Then sixth one is seventh.
And seventh one is
fifth
eight.
one is
Just don't say whatever you want to say.
Consider
Look at the picture properly. Which came
one.
first?
Sixth is first
Which
one.
things did
Ma'am,
you see
sixth
first?
one came first.
Sixth one is the first.
Sixth one is the first one, ma'am.
Okay, sixth one is the first one. Everybody knows. Next.
Second
Five,
one.
ma'am.
Fifth one is second one.
5 is the second one, ma'am.
Nobody said anything about the 8th one.
8th one is third
That's
one.
the last sequence.
Ma'am, 8th one is second.
Eight is last one, ma'am.
8th one is third one, ma'am.
8th one is last. Who said? These are his parents, right?
Yes, ma'am. Eighth one is.
Ma'am, 8th is second.
8th one is third one.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can
eighth
you
is
scroll
second
up,
and,
ma'am? We cannot see the numbers of the upper one.
Yeah, I scrolled.
Ma'am, 6th
Now you
is
can see,
first and
right?
8th is second.
and third is second one.
Third is second one.
Seventh is last one.
Ma'am, eighth one is sweets, ma'am.
You have the story with you, right?
Ma'am, second or eighth
Yes,
one
ma'am.
are the sweets.
Ma'am, first one is the fourth one.
First one is, who is this?
Divya.
Ma'am, the man who lifts him.
Ma'am, first one is the last.
First one is the last one.
And what about this?
One is third,
What
ma'am.
about
Can you
the
see
third
this?
one, ma'am?
Can you see
What is
this?
third one?
Third one.
Ma'am,
third
those
one.
are sweets.
It's the third
Yes.
one. It's the third one.
This snake charmer.
Fourth one.
This. And here, this is the.
Roundabout.
This is when he
Ma'am, I
realized
made
that
the-
he is
I
lost. He
made
came
the
here.
arrangement,
He
ma'am, but I
walked
did
in the
not add.
roundabout and he realized he is lost and he starts running.
Time. Ma'am, but when is third one, ma'am?
At the last.
Ma'am, the third one is the
Third one is the
third
last.
one
Third one is the
before
last one.
roundabout.
Before last.
Third one is not the last one. He
Ma'am,
saw
the
the
last
Third one is
second.
before the roundabout.
Third one
Last
is
second.
Third.
Last second. The
Last second.
seventh one.
Okay, you have so many doubts. Come here.
Last
Can you
one
see
is
this?
one.
Sixth one is first.
7, 4.
Second one is second, the sweets. Eighth one is third. What are these?
Flowers.
Flowers.
Flatlands.
And fifth one is fourth. He sees
Balloons.
Balloon.
Rainbow color
Balloon.
balloons.
Color balloon.
third one is fifth. He sees the snake charmer. They would have not shown the snake charmer without the stranger if this was last. Okay. Then comes the seventh one, where he sees and he says, Mama, Dada, I want this. And then he realizes they are nowhere. So after that comes the fourth, and the first one is the last one where he is with a stranger and we don't know what happened next. Okay.
We'll continue the story in this.
So you have to give up suitable ending. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I'll stop share this. I'll share something else because we are almost done. Where is the other one? I don't know where I kept the other one. Just a minute. Now can you see this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vocabulary.
What are these?
Vocabulary word.
Vocabulary word.
Yeah, because you never tell me which word is unfamiliar, difficult for you to understand. There are so many words here which I felt I should ask you about. So these words, I will send you these words also as PDF in the WhatsApp group. You will write the word meanings. I'm not saying within a week. I'm saying when I come next, I'll be asking you the meaning of these words.
Okay.
Not all, few, just to see whether you have gone through this. I'll ask you at least 10 maybe. I want the word meaning as per the contextual clues given in the text.
Ma'am, we
Not
should
just
write the
dictionary
meanings, ma'am.
You learn the meanings. I mean, you don't learn it by heart, but according to the story, what does intercepting mean? In the story, they have given wintry. So is it related to the winter season?
No, ma'am.
When you
It's
see the
feelings,
dictionary,
ma'am.
when you check in the dictionary,
Spring.
you will find 3 to 4 word meanings for the same word. But I want you to give me the meaning related to the story, not all the 3 word meanings. Got it?
Okay, ma'am. This one.
See, intercepting, wintry, lingering, tyrant, abreast, wild capers, converging, hawked, overwhelming, possess, forbidden, roundabout, flushed, convulsed, congested, stooping, steered, double-pitched, persuasively, reiterated, disconsolate. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
The remaining went off?